Welcome to this episode of the Revise Science with Me series. This video will coach you to make and use an interactive revision tool to recall the key definitions relating to ecosystems. This technique can be used for any topic in science or any subject where you are trying to remember the definitions of key words. I will coach you by giving you simple instructions and opportunities to pause the video whilst you get things done. For this session, you will need a quiet space to work for at least 20 minutes, some index cards, a decent pen or marker, a source of information such as your science exercise book from school, a revision guide of an appropriate tier and exam board, a textbook, exam mark scheme from an appropriate question, or a glossary or any other relevant source. Visit the products page on the sciencerevisioncoach.org website for all the equipment you may need in one place. If you need to get the equipment I've just mentioned, you can press the pause button now to go and collect it. Step 1. Write the keywords that you struggle with on one side of the index cards, using your source of information to guide you. Press the pause button now so you can complete this. Step 2. Write the corresponding definitions on the reverse of each index card. Press the pause button now so you can complete this. Step 3. Close your source of information, shuffle the cards with the keywords facing upwards, and try to recall the definitions. Press the pause button now so you can attempt this. You could also try this by placing the cards with the definitions facing upwards and trying to remember the keywords. Press the pause button now to try this too. You have now made an interactive revision tool. This should not have taken you more than 20 minutes to create, but now that you have made it, you can use it repeatedly to help you remember some of the key definitions in the ecosystem topic. Making this is revision in and of itself, so it is not wasted time. You are reviewing the source material and interacting with it as you read and copy the keywords and their definitions. Spend another 20-minute revision session by trying to recall the keywords and their definitions using these flashcards. Reuse the interactive revision tool for as many times as possible before your exam. You can watch my video on revision cycles in the metacognition playlist for more information about how this technique is beneficial for your memory. If you haven't already put together a revision timetable, you should get that done, and I have a template that you can edit on the sciencerevisioncoach.org website. You should now remember the key ecosystem words and their meanings if you use the revision tool as I have described. Remember to follow this up with past paper exam questions and questions of your own, making question flashcards, for example. You can find past paper questions online, and I've included a link in the description that can help you with this. Good luck.